Today we will learn about flower structure. The first structure is sepal. Sepals protect the flower whilst it emerges. It is the first part of the flower to grow. Petal. Petals are bright and attractive to draw in pollinators such as insects. Anther. An anther is a sac that sits on the top of the filament. It is where the pollen is produced. Filament. The filament holds up the anther to make it more accessible to pollinators. Stamen. The male reproductive organ. The collective name for the anther and the filament. Style. A tube-like structure which supports the stigma. Pollen tubes can develop in the style after pollen germination. Stigma. The stigma has a sticky surface. This is where pollen is captured. Ovary. The ovary produces and contains developing seeds or ovules. Carpel. The female reproductive organ. The collective name for the stigma, style and ovary.